आणि प्रदूषण due to the firecrackers and loud music. Restrictions are there, pollution control board directives are there, nobody follows, and enforcement also till the civil society comes and writes and does something, gets onto the street. The administration is very lackadaisical, you know. खंत बघता सांगपाक कायदे सगळे आसा म्हणल्यार कायदा पालन ना. कितें करपाचें आमी कोणाचेर आड ना, म्हणजे थारायल्ल्या प्रमाणार करा न्ही, डू विदीन लिमिट्स, कीप द स्टिप्युलेशन ऑफ टायम, द हाय डिसायबल्स, जाणटी भुरगीं अस्कोत दुयेंत आनी जनावरां आनी पक्षी सगळ्याकूच हें मात. वी डोंट अंडरस्टँड स्टील आमी शिकिल्ली लोकशाही काय अडाणी लोकशाही. अडाणी लोकशाही खूब सेन्सिटीव आसा, जतनाय घेता, काळजी घेता दुसऱ्याची. आमकां फक्त हें म्हणपाचें आसा बाबा कायद्या भितर कितें बसता तें करा. आतां आमची हेरिटेज हें जाल्या, इन्फेक्शन जाल्लें आसा, जायते भशेचे हेरिटेज आमचे तकलेर थमयल्या. एज इन गोवा ऑफ माय टायम्स एंड गोवा दॅट आय लव्ड एंड रिमेंबर टील टुडे इज नोवेअर वॉट इट इज प्रेझंटली हॅपनिंग. व्हडल्यान आवाज करप, फटाके ते बॉम्ब मारप, कोणा खातीर ते? वी आर ओन्ली किलिंग आवर सेल्स. आमी आमच्याच पांयार बडी मारतात. हे करूं नये आनी शिस्तीत रावल्यार तितून पीस आसा, तितून जगपाक आमकां शांती आसा आनी बरे भशेन सगळ्याचे सण साजरा बरे करून करात. वी विश यू वेल, बट वॉन्ट टू रिमाइंड यू मर्यादे भितर रावात, बेमर्यादीत करिनाकात. दुसऱ्याची जतनाय आनी खंत कितें भोगता ती ताजी इल्लीशी जाणीव दवरूनच करात. हे आमचे मागणी.
Today we have come to meet the SP. Okay, we have attached one directive from the Supreme Court, which says it is very well said by the Supreme Court, and it has to be enforced by the SP. Okay, so regarding the firecrackers and loud noise and air pollution, now we have come to request the SP to enforce this. Second thing is we are not against anybody's festivals. We also celebrate Diwali, we celebrate Ganesh. We are fun-loving people. We want to celebrate all, but not at the cost of inconveniencing animals and patients and elderly people. And second thing is we will also come again. Okay, so that we keep on reminding the SP of this directive. We will come during Christmas time, and I request the press to come with us along at that time also. Christmas time and New Year will follow, so we want this directive to be enforced across all festivals. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my point is I cannot understand how people don't have the sensitivity and the delicateness not to disturb other people's sleep. Every Ganesh outside my house right up to 1 o'clock, crackers, bombs, music, you know. I mean, don't they have any sense? There are senior citizens around, there's a hospital, this Imperial Hospital close by. Second point is about the SP. He's in contempt of court because Supreme Court has ordered that up to 10 o'clock is the restriction. So this year we are going to take action and phone him personally in case he does not act.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.